So to concatenate all the strings into one single string, you can use the join method of strings. So this is a method of strings. This is a string here. For example, let me put this string. It's just a dash, but it is still a string. This join method gets a list as input. How are you? Good, good. So that is a list of strings. If you execute that, these items of the list are going to be joined by this string here that you declared in here. So if you add more to make it more clear, so you're going to get a dash joining all these strings, these items of the list. The first item, the second item, the third item. We can make use of that here by saying join the results list. Save that, execute. Weather is good and end. So how are you? Weather is good. We have a small problem here. We probably need a space between those strings. So we can do that very easily. You can just put a space in the string and then execute again. And that is the output that we were expecting for our program. So this is how you make this program in this section. You define a function on top of your script that does something and does it very good. And then you iterate, you make a loop, you ask the user for input in each iteration. Immediately check if the input was the string. You don't want to append first. And then check if the user input was equal to this. So you don't want to have this as the first condition, because if you had that, that means if the user enters here \end, and then after that you had the results.append, that \end string will be appended to the results list. You don't want that. Therefore, you need to check immediately if the string is \end and break the program if that is the case. Else, then do this. So store the output of the sentence maker into the results list. And then finally, just concatenate the items of that list and print out the results, which is this one here. I hope this program was useful for you and you learned something how to put pieces together. In the next videos, we're going to learn some more advanced things about Python, and after that, we're going to go through the first real-world application. And the next application after that, and the next, and so you're going to have 10 applications. And I know that if you take those applications seriously, you're going to be a good programmer. I wish you continue to enjoy my teachings in the next videos.